Hi, this is Dimple here from Planet-EEdtech, and we are going to be demonstrating to you how do you use this pink tower in a preschool classroom. So when you have a pink tower, first and foremost, how you have your seating arrangement. Roll a mat or a Montessori mat in front of you, either on the table or sit yourself on the floor with the child's dominant hand on your right hand side if you are a righty. And if the child is a lefty, the child will sit on the other side. So when you're starting the work, roll a mat and you start by pulling out the blocks of this pink tower one after the other when you've laid it horizontally and place them in a random order. As we go to the bigger blocks, we might have to use two hands, and ideally you need to use them with two thumbs, and the side will be held by the palms. Once you are done with the placement of removing everything outside, you now start making a tower with the biggest block to begin with. After this level, you can start using your pincer grip. It will be your middle finger, pointer and the thumb, and you place it gradually. Now the best part about Montessori is it is self-corrective in nature. So as a child, or you see that there is something not right, you do a correction. And that is why it's called as didactic material. Well, the last one is a very tiny cube, and for safety reasons, a lot of schools and teachers prefer to keep it out of children's reach. It's really a tiny one which can choke children, maybe even two of them. The last two blocks, which are very small, the 1 inch and the 1 centimeter, may be moved out. For the demonstration's sake here, we will have it in the video. Once you are done, just run your hands from bottom to top. So here's the pink tower. During the Montessori demonstration, we give less of instructions and much more of observation. And once you have finished the demonstration, you need to invite a child to try himself or herself. This is one format of it. You can also start by a horizontal format of arrangement with the younger children. And we will be showing you that in another video.